Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Ultimate Rebuilds. In today's episode, we're going to build a fully custom mini bike, to put it lightly. It's going to involve a lot of work, a lot of cutting, a lot of engine work, a lot of just a bunch of stuff. Pretty excited for it, so stay tuned. Wait, that's not right. Wait, hold on. Okay. First off, I gotta say, this is not my original idea or concept or anything. I actually found this idea scrolling Facebook, and they talked about the whole process, but they didn't list the guy's name who actually originally built this Voltspod. So with a little research, I found his Instagram. His name is Walter Works, and I'll leave the link in the description so you can go check out his channel. I in no way want to take claim for this build, but I really love the idea, and he's not selling them just yet. So we are going to build our own. Alright, without further ado, let's go ahead and start taking all the parts I collected off the trailer and throw them in the garage. Now first on our list of parts we need are Volkswagen fenders. Now these Volkswagen fenders are off of a 1970 to a 1972. I believe you can use a bunch of different years, but these were the cheapest I could find, and I need to cut them in half, so I wasn't really too worried about the shape that they're in. There is a bit of rust, and there is some dents on the side somewhere. Yeah, right there. Of course my compressor kicks on right now. With these fenders, we have to cut them in half directly down the middle, and it's supposed to call for a full set of fenders, so the front and rear, but I'm going to try to get away with just using the front two, and I'm going to have to buy some scrap metal to build a plate right here. But we'll get to that once we actually start working on the fenders. Today we're going to work on trying to get this thing running. My original plan was to build a frame from the ground up, but when I was pricing out all the parts I need, like an engine and like the wheels and stuff, it would actually be like twice as expensive as just buying a used one. Now this one I found on Facebook for $140. He claims it runs and it only needed a bolt for the rear axle, but after further inspection there is a lot more problems that I need to fix. First on the list of problems, there wasn't any bolts for this. I just stuck these in here for now just to make sure everything lined up right. So I gotta go find some better bolts to hold the gear thing in, whatever it's called. Also, if you're looking at it, these tires are really, really bad. This one holds air surprisingly, but it is so warped. The belts are all busted in the inside. So that's one tire we need, and this one will not hold air. So that's two tires we need. Luckily we have the chain. Now we know we need another bolt for the axle. The problem is we're also missing the spacer for here and also the spacers for up front. So we gotta find or figure out what to use for that. Now just for today's episode, my goal is to get this thing running. So he told me that he drained the oil out and he drained the gas out, but if you look in the gas tank, yeah, see there's still gas in there. So who knows if there's actually oil in there. But let's put it up on a stand and check and see what we can do. I want to at least change the oil and take off the carburetor and clean it so we know it just starts up right away if it does start. So let's get straight to that. Let's see if she starts. On. Ooh, that was close. Well, it started. Didn't say running though. So great news, it runs. I'm kind of surprised considering all the stuff that was going wrong with it. But it runs, that's great. Next thing we need to do is buy all the parts. I'm gonna go ahead and order 2 new tires, the front axle bolt and spacers. We also want to go ahead and order a new seat because the seat's going to be gone. And yeah, that's just the parts I can think of right now. We're probably going to have to order more. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and post this video, get it out there while all the parts come in. And in the next episode, we can go ahead and start cutting up these fenders and maybe put new tires on and try to get this thing rolling, just to make sure it rolls. Alright. Thank you all for watching. I will catch you in the next episode. If you like this, subscribe. Maybe I'll give it away. Who knows? I don't know. 10,000 subscriber giveaway? I don't know. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next episode. We'll be right back.